we are torn in matters of the heart. You have a decision. Oh look, Magician, you have the decision between two lovers by the looks of things. Maybe you're deciding whether to stay where you are or move forward with somebody else, or maybe it's just two people and you can't weigh up who is the better option for you. Who do you want to be with more? You are on borrowed time, so you need to make this decision relatively quick. Now, we have the moon showing there as well, so that would always kind of push me to kind of say, choose wisely, because you might not know everything you need to know about these people, or you might have, you know, the version that you see of them might not be how it would be if you were together with them fully. But you are definitely 100% getting into a relationship, okay? And please don't base it just off the physical side of the relationship. That is very tempting in this particular reading. It just shows that makes you feel good, you enjoy that, but we have to be mindful that there is more to life than that. It is definitely the time though. This is a relationship coming together. So you have two lovers. They both seem to make you happy, but in different ways. I mean, either way, looking at this, you're going to have a nice relationship, but they're just showing it's difficult. You don't know which one to go to. It shows you have to really close off from one to be able to go to the other. Something's been very slow, so it might have taken you a while to get to this point where you now know you have to make a choice, or it might have just been that the person, the both of them that you're with, it's just taking time, okay, to get to know them. But mark my words, there is a change coming. There is an end of something and the start of something new. I feel if you're already in something, you're not fulfilled, and so this other person that's coming in maybe be able to fulfill you properly. You know, if think you're in love with two people, you have to think about that, because maybe if you were, you wouldn't have been able to fall in love with the second person. So know that you have a decision to make, and it's coming up quite quickly. It is only you that can make this choice. I do see here you have to be super independent about this, and you have to be selfish in a way and choose what you know is right for you, because that's also being fair to the other person. But we do have here that there will be somebody who wants some sort of revenge after this decision has been made. So you can't keep everybody happy, basically. So we'll just take note of that there will be some drama, there will be some trouble. Interestingly there, I just said before, you need to close one thing off for the next. That is the end of an emotional cycle with the Wheel of Fortune there. It often means that something much better is coming around the corner. So it might be that you need to make this change and leave the old behind so you can move forward with the new. If it's more of just a choice between relationships and you're not with either person, take your time in doing this, but go with the one that makes you feel empowered. Go with the one that makes you feel strong and confident within yourself, because it seems otherwise you would always be balancing things with the other one. There's a big emphasis here on not choosing the one that is just passion-based, okay? You know what I mean when I say that, but yes, nevertheless, you have a decision coming up that is very difficult, but they are just saying you're on borrowed time, and choose the one that has a solid foundation.